Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can make your Discord look more aesthetic, well, your Discord server. So you have to own the server, and you have to have permission to do so if you are not the owner. You are just going to go to like an emoji website, emoji copy paste like so, and I'm just going to find the game Emoji. So I'm just going to search up game. I'm then just going to select it and then copy the emoji over here. And I'm going to go back to my Discord server, go to edit channel, and here's where you can paste the emoji. And then after that you are going to press save changes, and as you can see, it makes it just more aesthetic, I guess, than just a plain text, as you can see. And then you can add more emojis. So let's just create a new channel. Actually, let's just go to the emoji website first, and then I'm going to write down chat, for instance. Click on the speech balloon, copy it, and then create a channel, paste it, name it chat, for instance, and paste the emoji again and press create channel, and it just makes it look better, in my opinion. And that is basically it. It is super simple, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!